Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 1 year update on my Speedy 25. Yeah, I had this bag for a year now. It don't even really seem like it, like a year really flew by quick. But yeah, today's going to be a 1 year update on her, and overall she's holding up well. I'm doing this review because I've been getting a lot of emails and questions regarding this particular bag, and just, you know, how it's been holding up and whatnot. So I did a video comparing the Speedy 25 to the Speedy 30, and y'all know we all quarantining. We sheltered in place right now, so excuse Olivia. Yeah, so I actually have my Speedy 30 here, so we can do a quick size comparison. So this is my Speedy 30, and this is the 25.
Mommy. And I don't have my baby in the car.
Okay.
Yay.
So just a quick side-by-side for size comparison if you need it, you know, to see that. I don't know what to show in the update, but I guess I'll just show like the wear on the bag. Because this is the Damier Ebene print, this bag really doesn't show age compared to the Speedy 30. I mean, not the Speedy 30, but like the monogram. Let me show you. Like, this is my Speedy 30 in monogram, but you see how like my handles are like honey brown. All of this comes with age and with wear and with the weather and whatnot. So with the Damier Ebene print, you don't have this vachetta, so you can't really tell how old or how new this bag really is, because you don't have, you know, like markings on the bag that can age like the monogram, not the monogram, but like the vachetta does on other bags. So yeah.
Mommy, look, my purse is cool. And I like my purse.
Yep, your purse is cute.
Yeah,
Okay,
I just heard my purse.
Okay, so the main thing that I would say is the only thing that's kind of showing wear now, a year later, on this particular bag would be my handles. The underlining of my handles are getting just a little wrinkled now, because I remember how my handles were made when I first got it a year ago. Actually, it's been over a year. It's been a year and like almost a year and a half now since I had this bag. I do have a little more wrinkling up under my handles now. When I bought my Speedy 30, the SA did tell me that because they stretch this leather over the handles, that even brand new, you can have handles that have wrinkles up under them. So yeah, she told me that because I was going through bags trying to find handles that didn't have wrinkles, and it was kind of hard to find that. So she told me that you can, that's what they do. Like, this leather is stretched over this handle, so wrinkling is there in most cases. I did end up finding a bag that had no wrinkling, but a lot of the bags that I was going through did have wrinkling. So I'm just going to say that this bag has just a little more wrinkling than what it did when I first got it about a year and a half ago. So I'm going to show you up close like all along here.
Look at my person. I just have my person and my toy box. Let's open up.
Now, when I carry this bag, 90% of the time, well, maybe like 80% of the time, I am carrying it top handled. So I do get, even though this is the smaller version, so it's meant to be, you know, kind of more so worn for the crossbody strap or just over the shoulder. For some reason, I still gravitate to carrying this bag by the handles. Yeah, so I feel like I kind of got more wear from carrying it by the handles. And now my Speedy 30, I do tend to wear over my shoulder, which is, yeah. This bag is really cute crossbody because it's smaller, but for some reason I always gravitate towards the handles. I've been carrying this bag I think ever since March. Yeah, so for like the last for the last 2 months, 2.5 months, I've been carrying this bag, and I need to switch it out. I just gravitated towards it because it's small, and you know I had the baby and whatnot. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna switch this bag out, which is why I'm gonna do this video now. But yeah, my strap is still in really nice condition. There's no wrinkles on my straps at all.
Oh hey guys, I just grabbed my.
Yeah, I have a little bit of wrinkling up under here, just a little.
This, hey guys, this. Yeah, I have to take this off.
Maybe you can't even see it. It's minimal.
We have to.
Another odd thing is too, like I have, like the wrinkling is more prominent on this handle than it is on this one, which is kind of odd. But yeah. But other than that, my hardware and everything is still really nice and good condition. It's no wear whatsoever. I think this is the handle that has the size on it. Yep. The size is under here. You pull it down. You can see the 25. Lint always tends to get down in there. I don't know how, but it is. I leave it. I don't clean it. Yeah. But other than that, the bottom of the bag is still really good. The corners are still in really good condition. Yeah, like it's not rubbing off or anything yet. Hold on. Yeah. Corners are still really nice. Zippers are still nice. Yeah, like the bag is holding up really well, like really well. I have no complaints whatsoever. My bag is pretty stuffed. I'm not gonna do a what's in my bag, but it's filled. It's heavy in a way. But it's still not filled to the top. Like it's still not filled to the top. Like I still have plenty of room to still add in whatever it is I want to add in. I'll do some body shots just so you can get an idea of how the 25 looks against the body. I'm 5'6", like 5'6.5". I could be 5'7". I don't think I am. I'm like 5'6.5". I don't know how much I weigh. I just had the baby, so I don't know how much I weigh, but yeah, I'm like 5'6.5". Okay, so you have it here against the body. to the side. On the shoulder. I have both straps on. It's crossbody. Okay, so yes, that's pretty much it for my 1.5 year update. No complaints, still holding up very well. All the threads are still intact, zippers is still working, the clasps are still working, my strap is still intact, handle's still good, canvas not showing no wear or no tear really. Yeah, I have no scratches, no fadings in color, no rubbed off edges yet, and yeah, it's just still holding up really good. So yeah. Hope this helps someone, and hope you enjoyed the videos, especially the ones who've been hitting me up about this bag. You get to see it in person, well, not in person, but you get to see it again in a more recent type of setting. So yeah, if you're in the market for a Speedy 25, I do recommend the 25. I don't feel like it's too small. I don't feel like it's a headache. I feel like when you need that small bag, you need that small bag. So when you need that small bag, this bag is sufficient and it works. When you're looking for a bigger size bag like the 30 and you have this bag, it can be a problem, but when you're in that small bag mood, this bag definitely can get the job done. I feel like it's a nice size for every day. Okay. I feel like it's a nice size for every day. I also feel like the 30 is a nice size for every day as well. Yeah, so I have no complaints. This bag is definitely a keeper in my collection, even though I have the 30 in the exact same print. I still love this bag still, because sometimes I just get in that small bag mood, and this bag is perfect. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.